Hello and welcome to our channel Tomokni Preparation for Government Jobs. Friends, today we are going to solve a paper conducted by RRB Guwahati. This is the part 2. Part 1 of this paper was solved previously. So let's start with the first problem. First problem is a shopkeeper sells his items at the cost price, but he weighs 950 grams instead of 1 kg. What is the percentage of profit? Profit is actually 50 gram on selling 950 gram of rice. So the percentage of profit will be 50 by 950 into 100%, which gives us on cancelling 100 by 21%, which is equivalent to 5.26%. So option B is the right answer. Question number 2. A person sells each of two bicycles for rupees 1980. He earns 10% profit from one and incurs 10% loss from the other. What is the total cost price of both? Here, two cases are given. In the first case, he makes a profit of 10%, and in the second case, he makes a loss of 10%. So in the first case, 110% of CP will be equal to SP. So 110% of CP will be equal to 1980, which gives CP equal to 1980 by 110%, which is equal to 1980 into 100 by 110. On cancelling zeros, we get this. Now 198 will be divided by 11, which gives 18. So this will be equal to 1800. So in the first case, the CP is 1800. In the second case, he incurs 10% loss. So 90% of CP will be equal to SP, which gives 90% of CP equal to 1980, which gives CP equal to 1980 by 90%, which is equal to 1980 into 100 by 90. On cancelling zeros, we get, now we shall divide 198 by 9, and hence we get 22, which gives 2200. So the total cost price will be equal to 2200 plus 1800, which gives 4000. So option A is the right answer. Question number 3. In a bag there are coins of 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 10 paisa. The ratio of 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins is 2:5, and the ratio of 50 paisa and 10 paisa coins is 4:9. If the total sum of rupees 1125 is in the bag, then what is the total number of 1 rupee coins? First of all, we shall find the ratio of 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 10 paisa coins. Now it is given rupee 1 is to 50 paisa equal to 2:5, and 50 paisa is to 10 paisa is given as 4:9. From here we get rupee 1 is to 50 paisa is to 10 paisa equal to 2 into 4, that is 8, is to 4 into 5, that is 20, is to 5 into 9, that is 45. So this is the ratio of the numbers of 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coin and 10 paisa coin. Now the total valuation is 1125. If we assume the coins as 8x, 20x and 45x, the number of coins, then the valuation will be 8x plus 20x into 50 paisa means half rupee plus 45x into 10 paisa means 1 by 10 rupee. This will be equal to 1125. So this gives 8x plus 10x plus, on dividing by 5 we get 9 and this will be given 2. So 9x by 2 equal to 1125. So 2 will be the LCM. So it will be 16x plus 20x plus 9x equal to 2 into this one. That means 2250. This gives 45x equal to 2250. This gives x equal to 2250 by 45, which gives 50. So the value of x is 50. Now we have to find the number of 1 rupee coin, which is actually 8x. So 8x equal to 8 into 50 equal to 400. So option C is the right answer. Question number 4. Three numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 5 and the sum of their squares is 1862. What is the first number? If we assume the numbers as 3x, 2x and 5x, then we can write 3x whole square plus 2x whole square plus 5x whole square will be equal to 1862. This gives 9x square plus 4x square plus 25x square, which will be equal to 1862. This gives, so on adding these 3 we get 38x square equal to 1862. This gives x square equal to 1862 by 38, which is equal to 49. So this gives x equal to 7. So the value of x is 7. We have to find the first number. Okay, so first number is actually 3x. So 3 into 7, which is 21. So option B is the right answer. Question number 5. A, B and C hired a taxi for rupees 1040 and used the taxi respectively for 14 hours, 16 hours and 22 hours. What is the share of C in the rent of the taxi? Here we shall first find the ratio of their consumption in terms of hours. That is, we shall find the ratio of 14 hours, 16 hours and 22 hours. 14 is to 16 is to 22, which is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 11. Now we shall divide the rent in the ratio 7:8:11. So the share of C will be given by 11 by 7 plus 8 plus 11 into 1040, which is equal to 11 by 26 into 1040. In cancellation we get 40. 40 into 11, 440. So option D is the right answer. Question number 6. A business was started by Mohan and Sohan. Mohan invested 20,000 rupees for 6 months. Sohan invested for 1 year. After the end of 1 year, Mohan received 6,000 from the profit of 9,000. How much money did Sohan invested? Let us assume Sohan had invested X rupee and his capital worked for 1 year, but Mohan's capital worked for 6 months. So first of all we shall find the ratio of their capitals, which will be given as, say, Mohan is to Sohan equal to 20,000 of Mohan for 6 months. So 20,000 into 6 is to 12 months for Sohan. That is 12 into X. 10,000 is to X. Now Mohan received 6,000 rupees out of the total profit of 9,000 rupees. So 10,000 by 10,000 plus X into 9,000 equal to 6,000, which gives, on dividing by 3,000 on both the sides, we get 10,000 into 3 by 10,000 plus X equal to 2. This gives 30,000 equal to 20,000 plus 2x, which gives 2x equal to 10,000, which gives x equal to 5,000. So Sohan's investment was 5,000. That is option A is the right answer. A trader has 6 quintal rice. He sold a part of it at 7% profit and the rest at 17% profit, so that he made a total profit of 11%. How much rice did he sell at 17% profit? Here let us assume X quintal of rice at a profit of 17% and rest 6 minus X quintal at 7% profit. Since he makes 17% profit on X quintal, we can write he actually get the money equivalent to 117% of X quintal rice price. That is 117% price of X quintal rice. And in the second case, similarly, he gets 107% of 6 minus X quintal of rice. That is, the price has been increased, equal to, this will be equal to, since on overall he gets at 11% of profit, so 111% of 6. So from here we get 117 x plus 107 into 6 minus x equal to 111 into 6. We actually have cancelled the 100 from the both sides. Now This gives 117x plus 107 into 6 minus 107x equal to 6, 6 and 6. So this gives, on subtracting 117x and 107x, we get 10x equal to 666 minus 107 into 6, that is 642. This gives 10x equal to 24, which gives x equal to 2.4. So the quantity of rice sold at 17% profit is 2.4 quintal. Which is equal to 2.4 into 100, which is equal to 240, that is 240 kg. So option C is the right answer. Question number 8. A businessman lent rupees 42,000 at two different rate of interest. He lent some money at 12.5% and some money at 13.5% annual rate of interest. If he earns a total of rupees 8,085 interest in 1.5 years, then how much money did he lend at 12.5% of interest? Here we shall calculate the simple interest. Nothing is said about the interest, so we shall go with the simple interest. In calculating, we shall use PRT by 100. Okay, so if we assume x rupees out of 42,000 was lent at 12.5% of interest, then the interest will be x into r, that is 12.5, that is 25 by 2 into t, that is 1.5 years, which is 3 by 2 by 100, plus rest money will be 42,000 minus x into r, 13.5%, that is 27 by 2 into 3 by 2 by 100, which will be equal to 8,085. Now we shall divide on both the sides by 100 into 4 by 3. Since 3 by 4 into 100, that is 3 by 400, is common here, so we get 25x plus 42,000 minus x into 27 will be equal to 8,085 into 100 into 4 by 3. This gives, here look, if we multiply 27 with 42,000 minus x, then we get actually minus 2x plus 42,000 into 27 equal to, on dividing 8,085 by 3, we actually get 2695, that is 2695. So 2695 into 100 into 4, this gives 2x equal to 42,000 into 27 minus 2695 into 100 into 4. So this gives x equal to, on dividing both sides by 2, we get 21,000 into 27 minus 2695 into 100 into 2, which is equal to 567,000 minus 539,000, which is equal to 28,000. So the amount of money invested at 12.5% of interest was 28,000. That is, option A is the right answer. Question number 9. 8 men or 12 boys can do a work in 25 days. In how many days can 6 men and 11 boys do the same work? So 8 men can do the work in 25 days. 8 men can do the work in 25 days. That is, they can do 1 by 25 of the work in one day. So one man can do in one day 1 by 25 into 8 part of the work. Similarly, one boy can do 1 by 25 into 12 part of the work in one day. Now 6 men and 11 boys will work together. So 6 men and 11 boys will work the part of the work in one day is 6 by 25 into 8 plus 11 by 25 into 12. So this amount of work will be done by 6 men and 11 boys in one day, which is equal to 1 by 25 is common here. Simplifying 6 by 8, we get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 11 by 12 equal to 1 by 25. 12 is LCM, so 9 plus 11, which is equal to 1 by 25 into 20 by 12. On dividing 5, we get 5, 4, 3, so equal to 1 by 15. So 1 by 15 part of the work will be done by 6 men and 11 boys in one day. That is, they will finish the work in 15 days. So option B is the right answer. Question number 10. 12 carpenters make 460 chairs in 24 days working 6 hours a day. Then how many chairs can be made by 18 carpenters working 8 hours per day in 36 days? Here we shall use the famous formula M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2, where M represents the number of men, D represents number of days, and W represents the amount of work, or here in this case the number of chairs. Another parameter is given here, which is number of hours worked in a day in both the cases. So we shall just multiply the hours in the numerator, which will give say H1 and H2, which are the hours. So applying this, we get in the first case 12 carpenters, 24 days and 6 hours per day, and the number of chair is 460. That will be equal to 18 carpenters into 36 days into 8 hours by W2, which is the number of chairs to be made. So this gives W2 equal to 18 into 36 into 8 into 460 by 12 into 24 into 6. Now we shall simplify. On dividing 36 by 12 we get 3. On dividing 18 by 6 we get 3. And on dividing 24 by 8 we get 3. Now 1 3 and here another 3 will be cancelled. So we get 3 into 4 60, which will be equal to 1380. So number of chairs to be made is 1380. That is option D is the right answer. So friends, if you think this video is helpful for your group D exam ahead, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video among the friends, and to get such more videos press the bell icon. Thank you.